A month back, I published a video discussing the Cisco certification roadmap. This was a response to an announcement from Cisco about their plans for updating Cisco certification and creating a clear roadmap that will tell users when and which exam will be updated. This, in my opinion, was a great news from Cisco. Knowing when the exams will change and when the updates will be published helps everyone who is trying to earn a Cisco certification. At the time of my previous video recording, there wasn't much information yet about the initial changes, but Cisco has reviewed and published the first updates for data center and collaboration. If you want to watch the previous video, it should be somewhere here, and if you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So we have a January 2023, and as per the roadmap, this should be the time for announcement for the data center and collaboration exams, and this is exactly what we got from Cisco. Cisco did send out the updates via their website for both exams. So let's have a look and see what the Cisco websites changes are listed here. We see that the roadmaps show here that the last year was time to review data center and collaboration, with publishing changes in Q1 of 2023. We can see that Cisco has nicely split the page into two sections for collaboration and the DC, and we can see which exams have upcoming changes and also exams that are being retired. I'm not an expert in the collaboration exams or data center. This is not my expertise. But even for untrained eyes, we can see there are few changes announced. I have selected what I guess is the most popular exam here, CCNP DC, implementing and operating Cisco data center core technologies with its code 350-601, and compare the changes between those two exams by comparing the blueprints. I have downloaded both versions of the exams, or both versions of the blueprints 1.0 and 1.1, and I have them side by side. And from a quick view, I see there are some minor changes. I see differences in section 1.3, in overlay protocols, in section 1.4, in tenant policies, and changes in automation and security. I think the best way to find out about changes is to compare old and new blueprints and go section by section to see what changed. So please make sure you are familiar with the latest blueprint for your exam and with the date when the blueprints become alive for the exam. Last thing I would like to check is the announcement for the updated certification study material. At the Cisco press site, we see that what I understand is the announcement for the publishing and updated books for each Cisco exam. We see the dates in the second column. The dates are presented in quarters in the year. We have Q3 and Q4 here most often for 2023, with some books having TBA or to be announced. I'm glad Cisco is doing all this. The clarity is beneficial to everyone who is studying for any Cisco exam. For those who purchase the books in electronics version, as I do, for example, as I'm used to using a Kindle, to get the updates, it will be as easy as downloading updated version, if the update is minor. However, I'm not sure what will be done for those who have ordered a hard copy of the study book from a different reseller than Cisco Press directly. Does that mean if you want to have an updated version, you only buy an electronic version from Cisco Press, or maybe something like O'Reilly subscription service? Let me know, what would you do? Anyway, good luck with your exam, and I'll see you next time.